Hey guys, today we'll be working on one of Southern family's favorites, chitterlings. I start with my vegetables, green peppers, onions, and for a little bit of spice, red peppers. The reason I went ahead and I cut up my vegetables prior to cleaning my chitterlings was to avoid contamination while handling these raw chitterlings. You know, they're very good and allowed in moderation under some popular low carb diets. Go ahead, be certain to pass the vinegar in the hot sauce. So with my chitterlings, I first start with soaking my chitterlings in cold water. Throughout the cleaning stage, each chitterling should be examined and run under cold water. All foreign materials should be removed and discarded. And when I say foreign materials, I mean all the nastiness that's on them. So throughout this video, you'll see that I am trying to pull off some of the fat that was retained and any of the nasty foreign pieces left on the chitterlings. They're usually pre-cleaned prior to, but it's always good to go ahead and give it about 3 rounds of cleaning. And when I say 3 rounds, I say go from one sink to the other, passing each piece of chitterling to make sure that they are clean. Chitlins take a lot of time and effort to clean. They are partially cleaned when they are sold, but require additional hand cleaning before they are ready to eat. Now, the secret to good and safe chitlins is in the cleaning, not in the cooking. Make sure you clean the heck out of these. So throughout this video, you'll kind of see me pulling away the additional skin from the chitlin. You'll see that it's very big at the beginning, and then by the time I'm done cleaning it, it's a very small piece. So, better safe than sorry. Now you see this here? This kind of gives you an example of what you'll be pulling away and what you'll be keeping. On the left is what I'll be throwing away, and on the right is what I'll be keeping. With the Uncle Louie's pre-cleaned chitterlings, I really didn't have much cleaning to do. This was probably the biggest piece that I had to clean out. So I wanted to make sure I showed you guys exactly what I kept and what I didn't. So here we are over 2 hours, and that's just consistent 2 hours. Prior to that, it was more to it. I went ahead and I added butter to it just for a little bit of taste. And I'm going to add in my vegetables, onions, green peppers, and for my spice, some red peppers. Some pepper. A lot of people do not like to really use actual black pepper on it because they didn't want their chitterlings to look dirty, but I'm pretty sure that mine are really clean. They were very white. And then I like spice, so I'm going to add pepper to mine. I know they're clean. Now it's up to you. You can add whatever you want to add. I added a little bit of Tabasco to mine for some more spice and tang in my chitterlings. I added in some crushed red pepper, some parsley flakes to make it pretty, some garlic powder. You can use garlic cloves too if you want to cut them up, and some ground red pepper because I like mine spicy. Now this is the final outcome. I am all about visuals, and hopefully this is as beautiful to you as it is to me. Now make sure you are bleaching and cleaning the counters for any contamination from that pork. Another thing that my mom just taught me was using lemon juice to remove the smell of chitlins from your hands, or else you will be smelling it all night long. So hopefully your chitlins turn out well. If you have some and you love them, go ahead and post a picture, and subscribe and follow and comment below. Let me know your ideas. Thank you.